Do you want to make a beautiful LED flasher circuit using just one IC and a capacitor? Today, I'll show you a simple TL494 LED flasher that you can easily build at home. Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. If you enjoy simple and creative electronics projects, make sure to watch this video till the end. In this video, I have made an LED flasher circuit using a TL494 IC, a 104 ceramic capacitor, and a few LED diodes. This circuit works on 12 volts DC and creates a beautiful flashing light effect. Now let me explain the circuit connections step by step. First, solder IC pins 16, 1, 4, and 7 together. Next, solder pins 2, 13, 14, and 15 together. After that, solder pins 8, 11, and 12 together. Now take the 104 ceramic capacitor and connect it between IC pin 4 and pin 5. Connect the positive terminal of the 12-volt supply to IC pin 8 and connect the negative supply to IC pin 1. Now take a few LED diodes and solder all the LEDs in parallel. Place the LEDs opposite to each other for a better visual effect. Then connect the LEDs to IC pins 9 and 10. Now our circuit is complete and ready for testing. After applying power, you can see that a beautiful LED flasher light is working perfectly. You can add more LEDs, change LED colors, or even connect a large LED strip. If you want to control a higher load, you can use a relay with this circuit. If you like this project, please like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more simple electronics projects. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.